If your vet has told you that you need to brush your pet's teeth, I am sure you have seen the wide variety of teeth brushing options there are out there. It can get really overwhelming. You can use toothbrushes that you hold on a stick or on your finger. There are a ton of different toothpastes, and often they recommend that you just use medical gauze and maybe put some toothpaste on that. But I have found that the best option are the one-time use wipes that go on your finger. What I love about these is that they work a lot like the gauze, and they give me full control by using my finger to brush my cat's teeth, but they already have all the cleaning ingredients built into the gauze, so it's ready to go. Let me show you. Now these are the SmileDen Dental Care Wipes, and they are meant to do all the cleaning you need, and they say they're vet recommended. You get 50 to a container, and the ingredients in these are really simple. It's mostly purified water, plant enzymes, baking soda, and then it has polyphenols and Manuka honey, which is pretty cool. When you open it up, you will see that it's just a ton of finger wipes. They are pre-moistened, and they can go on any finger you choose, and they do have some bumps to them, so they're going to get a good rub. And definitely start out small. When you're just starting, you don't want to do a full teeth cleaning, you just want to get your pet used to it. So you want to see if they'll smell it. He has no interest. And then you're just going to open the mouth a little bit, and then maybe get a tooth or two. Maybe you can get in the back, but it really does give you full control. You can feel everywhere you're going. The one concern is if you have a biter, this might not be their best option for you. And once you're finished, definitely give your pet a treat. If they like dental treats, that's even better. But the idea is you want to ease them into this so they accept it as a part of a daily cleaning, and it's easier for you and more enjoyable for your pet. Past that, I cannot recommend these enough. They do exactly what I want, and they're really easy to use.